order in our petition, the first petition which he took up at 4 o'clock, and he only pronounced one order that the petition is dismissed. He gave no reasons for it. He said the reasons will be given in the judgment which will be pronounced, will be written later with some corrections.
मातसो मोठो उलया.
Petition dismissed केली.
तुमचं petition
आमचे petition dismissed केली.
So when
आणि reasons काय सांगलो ना, the reason judgment असतो.
रिटर्न जजमेंटान
त्यान म्हणल्यार करेक्शन जातली म्हणून जजमेंटाक मागीर ते करेक्शन करतली आमी कॉपी दितलो
केन्ना कॉपी दिता
त्या टायम डेट सांगलो ना
डेट सांगलो
The speaker has passed the order in the disqualification petition. He has been pleased to dismiss the disqualification petition. That was what was pronounced, that the petition is dismissed.
आता पुढे किती आहे? What is it?
There is, as of now, we have not been given the copy. We have applied for the copy. Once we get the copy of the order, we'll come to know what is the reason.
He said only single line. He dismissed the city.
Petition is dismissed.
Only single line. So what is your future plan?
Yes, future plan in the sense we'll have to await for the proceeding before the Supreme Court, which is on 22nd. And according to us, we have crossed the first hurdle in getting these MLAs disqualified, because the biggest hurdle was getting a decision from the speaker, which finally today we have got after a long fought battle where we have to even go to the Supreme Court to request the speaker to, or direct the speaker to pass the order. After a lot of, I think, because the matter is pending in the Supreme Court, he has today passed the order. It's the first hurdle which we have cleared, and now we are pretty sure that we'll test his decision and we'll succeed in that. That will depend upon the proceeding before the Supreme Court on 22nd. The matter before the Supreme Court is on 22nd. Based on whatever is the outcome of the proceeding there, thereafter we'll decide where to go. But certainly we will test this decision, because this decision is not in consonance with the constitutional.
With today's dismissal, will it be insufficient before
Today's dismissal, he has passed the order which he had assured the Supreme Court that he'll pass the order. We'll have to see what happens in the Supreme Court on 22nd.
We are going to appeal for Supreme
We are going to test this the order which is being passed by this. Thank you.
Okay. This one for you.
No, what is your future plan?
Yeah, of course.
Only when we
एक मिनिट
Okay.
Order is already passed.
Order is already passed. After a long time. Anand किती हात येते?
No comments.
हाँ?
No comments.
Order किती केली तुम्ही?
Petition is dismissed.
Petition is
Both petition dismissed. Yeah, both.
Any in regard to means on any basis or something त्या माहिती ना.
So dismissed means in the favor of defected MLA. Petition is dismissed.
आणि काय म्हणाल सदिना तुम्ही?
रिझन कितें ऑर्डर केन्ना येतली
Reason is mentioned in the order.
नो बट तेंच्यांनी सांगला रिझन काय दिवना म्हणून तुम्ही
They have to apply for the order. Written order केन्ना मेळटली?
केन्ना मेळटली ऑर्डर
Within 2 days they
So
will.
Congress president has accused you saying that you have been working on the behest of Super CM.
Super CM Satish Dhon.
Super CM. Super CMच्या सांगण्याच्या ते नाही केला म्हणून.
So he will get a reply tomorrow on that.
ना त्यांच्यानी म्हटलं की
त्यांच्यानी म्हटलं सर
रिप्लाय कितें तुमचो
त्यांच्यानी स्टेटमेंट केला म्हणता
ते म्हणटा कितें सुपर सीएम आहा
Order
पळय
dictate super CM केला
Or-
Satish Dhon म्हणतात.
सतीश धोंड सांगता तशें तुमी
तुम्ही
करता.
वागता म्हणून.
तेचेर तुमची रिप्लाय कितें
No comments.